Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today, I don't know what I'm doing today. Just recording a little bit of farm life, I guess. I'm just calling this video by the title already. You know it, Farm Life 101. I don't want to do videos like every day. It's just fun doing farming, right? There's like a lot to do actually. Plus I found a lock for it. Look, this little thing right here is actually the lock for it. Okay, that makes a lot of noise. I'm just trying to make sure, as far as I can with this thing. Because I don't know any animals coming in. I don't know what to do with these trash cans. I found a piece of wire. Blah, blah, blah. Got like a cart in here. Put my stuff in here. Tools I found here. This is my usual thing. And I put this thing. This could probably do good for like a little chicken coop or something. And this, I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but it's probably for something for little chicks I'm going to have to use. Wire. You got to have your wire if you want fencing built. Right, guys? Right. And today, just farm life. This is a good farm life I'm doing. Besides, look at this place. These are pretty cool and clean how I did this. Plus, yeah, I'm putting my posts right here up against the building, so I don't have them stolen or nothing. But I need like a lock for my thing soon. I'll have to get like a real lock soon, like a key or something soon to it. But anyways, guys, this little doghouse. Why doghouse? Cause I can use it for chickens. Or some kind of animal, right? Yeah. And chickens are some kind of like bird animal. Horse trough. That's literally a horse trough, guys. Rake. Yep, that's my rake. So that's pretty cool what I did last night, though. Pliers. So yeah, that's right. I'm trying to roll that piece of thing up. Let me put this away. It'd be bad when I lost these. These were my only wire cutters I got. Oh, and there's the sheep. And one of them's banging at me. I'm trying to get help. But I also have to keep this in the shed at night. Because look, it keeps the door from going anywhere. It does. So I gotta put something up against that thing. So that thing will probably be going in there. Yeah, I'm surprised none of the chickens went in there. The only one that went in there today for chicken is that one right there. The one I'm zoomed in at, the white and black one. Dude, I'm surprised it didn't go in there. It did go in there, but for some reason, listen to me, and there's no poop everywhere. Huh. But anyways, look at this. Some of the herd got left behind. Old mama got left behind. Okay, one of her babies is calling her. Over there, that white little baby, that's her baby. That's little mama's baby. I mean, they're gonna eventually find each other, and they're gonna call for each other a lot. There's a sheep behind me there. Look, y'all see that, guys? I wanna go see if I can go see what that is. Hello, mama. Can't be in here long. My dad might find me in here. I wonder what the hell is in here. Hello. Oh, that little baby lamb. Look at that. I better get out of here before my dad wonders what I'm doing in here. I don't want him to find a secret way in. Yep. Go. Yes. I don't think nobody knows this. Yeah. Oh, I'm still safe on that part. I'm still kind of safe for now until he watches the video. Oh, hello there. You want this? My dad's car going somewhere. So, I guess this is where the farm life ends for now, I guess. Sorry if I'm not doing many very long videos. Plus, I don't know where my dad's about to go. I'm about to go see. Okay, I might be going somewhere fun, or I don't know where he's going, but I'll have to see so I don't miss out on something. Please subscribe, like, bye.